Welcome to Jairul News Media Channel. One of the most important news for you. India's central bank and major lenders are considering shutting down most branches across the country to prevent tens of thousands of employees from getting infected with the coronavirus. Four sources familiar with the plan told Reuters, India is still very much a cash society and banks have been exempted for a 21-day lockdown that begin this week as they are considered an essential service. Under the plan, in major cities there would be likely only one bank open every 5 kilometers. The source said declining to be identified as it has not yet been publicly disclosed. In the countryside where 70% people live and often rarely only one cash, banks will likely operate on alternate days and redeploy staff to only allow distribution of welfare cash into the poor, one of the source said. The general guidelines is that branch operations should largely be for village just to take care of those people who are not familiar with digital transactions. A senior bankers with a state-run bank told Reuters, informally, bank are talking to each other to cope up with the situation where there will be some rush of cash withdrawal because it is expected the government will provide cash for more directly into their account.